Alright guys, what is up? We are going to be hopping into our unboxing of 5 Chaos Galaxy Set 2 boosters here. From these, all I really need is like a I don't even really need a Pillars of Creation. It would be kind of cool. I already have 2 Elite Drangels. I have a Planet Abomination. I guess I could use a second one. We've gotten a bit luckier with the set 2 packs than the set 1, so I don't think there's a whole lot that I need from these. Battle Conjurers. I need Battle Conjurers. That would be good. Diamond Izzard. Squiddle. But yeah, I don't think there's anything that I'm like super looking for. Battle Conjurers would be cool. Ground Knight. I didn't have Supernovas. I did not have Supernovas. I forgot I needed that, and there it is. Wakuman, Combustion, Aplu, Point Tree, Polysium, Gigantros, Enderman's Telescope, and Fraxel. Before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and separate out my rares and whatnot. There's 3 in these packs, right? Yeah, okay. I think we were already good on the Gigantros and the Diamond Izzard, but we got a Supernova, which is really cool. Now if I could just get a Pillars, I think I would have everything from this set, I think. Maybe. I have a deck that I want to put Pillars in. But it's not like my main deck, it's just another thing on the side that I've been contemplating. We got a Gump, that's a rare. Gehenna, Wakuman, Bracktooth, Ground Knight, Treasure Swamp, Sindel, Diabakadra, Enchantment Chest, the Sacred Root. That's just a common, right? I don't actually remember what this does. The attached creature. Okay. Dupab, so it says, there we go. There we go. Okay. Zach's being good to us. I appreciate it. Zonal Destruction, Weatherman Soonshine, Mountain. I actually needed that. I only had one, and there's a thing that I want to do with it, so now we have that, and I'm happy. I think I need another. I need a weather machine too. Like I'm missing like my second one of like a bunch of these little commons that I would kind of like to make decks around, but we're good with it. This is fine. Alright, so hopping into pack 3 here. And this can go over here. I have taken out all that. Yeah, okay. I've been good about taking out my rares. Ooh. Infinite. I don't think I had an Infinite. I don't think the Knight archetype is good yet. I don't think it's good. So that might be, you know, that's kind of neat just to have, just to complete, or at least work towards completing my my full set. But I don't think I'm going to be playing that in any deck. Quatriarch is a rare. Demonite. You know, it's cool to have. Helix, Gaios, Possessed Patrolman, Gehenna. I feel like the Knights need they need more support before they'll be a deck, because they don't have a tremendous amount of support yet, and without the support they're just a bunch of admittedly pretty solid 4-star vanilla creatures. So it's like, I don't need a deck of like 10 Grizzly Bears. Come on. Come on. I think what you would do with a really no. With the Knight deck is you'd probably run it in like a Sindel deck. Since you already want to be like dumping stuff into the graveyard, but that sounds the best. I'm still not sure. I don't think you're going to get a whole lot of work out of any of the planets. I don't think you would want to run something like Shias. Something that would require you, like Shias would require you to have played at least 3 Shias creatures before you would get any use out of it. So at least with Sindel, you're already dumping creatures. You can prioritize dumping, like the, what's it called? The Demonites, and then you can get stars off of that. You'd get something out of it. Whereas with Shias, you'd, unless like the rest of the stuff in your deck with Shias, you're probably not going to get a lot out of that. Because you would need at least 3 Shias creatures. You, like Pelisium would do nothing probably. So I think Sindel's probably the way to go since you already want to be dumping creatures. Elite Drangel, it's another really rare. I already had 2 of them, but you know, hey. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know how to keep my pile straight. Galactibo, Universe Boundary, Whack-O-Man, Double-Sided Spear, Ploob, Angel Share, Pointy Bagabuga, Pecky, Gilded Compass, Shias. That's a rare, isn't it? Yeah, okay. We got the Checkpoint, Double Wormhole. Needed that, like I said. Wait, is that? Battle Conjure is only a common, and I'm pretty sure this is my first one. Out of all the packs I've gotten, I'm pretty sure this is my first. I assumed it was a rare because I didn't have any. I'm pretty sure that's my first Battle Conjure. And a Nature Knight. Okay, moving into our last pack here. I would really, really like to see one more Battle Conjure. I don't really need anything else. A second Pillars, I don't know. Zach mentioned a while back that he was working on a ban list. The thing on Reddit, if any of y'all have seen it, is apparently not a legit ban list. So I don't know if Pillars would be limited to 1 or what. But if it's not, I have a deck that would use 2 of them, or at least something that I've theory crafted. So that would be kind of cool. Barish Sands. So that's 1 rare. We got a Quatrayaga. We have a play set of Supernovas. We will definitely take that. Treasure Swamp. I think that means we can't get another really rare, ridiculously rare. I'm pretty sure his packs are worked out that way. I could be mistaken on that though. Hey, look, and we got a Deep Space Checkpoint. So yeah, probably. Weather Machine. I think I already had 1 of those, so I only needed 1 more. Angel Share, Star Dealer, and Powerproof Suit. All right. So this was pretty solid. I guess realistically we would have liked. No, I think the ridiculously rares are supposed to be like 1 in 5, right? I think that's right. So in fact, if we can grab a pack here, I think it says on here. No, that tells me how many. Yeah, and then 1 ridiculously rare per 5 and 1 really rare per 2. So yeah, we did 2, 3, 4. We did well above average, as I thought. So we got our 1 ridiculously rare, and then we got 4 really rares, 2 of which were Supernovas. I don't know if I'll be playing those. Kill 1 creature card on your opponent's planet which has no special. Oh, this doesn't do it. Alright, he changed it. That's still pretty good, I think. Kills Granchons, kills Planet Abominations. It kills like a lot of the really big things. So that's okay. I think optimally this is a side deck card, although I don't know that that's gonna be a thing. But I think that's what you would do with it. Elite Drangel. In fact, like against Syndian, it hits Drangel, I guess. And I apologize, that's my phone. It hits Drangel, and I think it would hit like Sky Sentinel. But I don't think it really hits anything super important. Obviously, against Pelisium, it hits Cranchon, Gomp. Against, yeah, it can hit. You're playing some kind of like Planet Abomination control thing. You can hit that. But overall, I don't think it's a main deck card. You might main deck like one. I could be mistaken, but I think it having to be a non-effect creature is, particularly in set 2, a lot more situational than it is in set 1. It's still pretty good, but I feel like it's something that you would want to side in if you had the option to do that against people that were running like Cranchons or Planet Abomination, something like that. Otherwise, I would generally just rather be running a KO or something. Although obviously you can run this alongside KO, so that's nice. Anyway, I think I'm about done rambling. I appreciate anyone that has sat through my rambling this far, and I will see you guys next time, where we will be opening more Wrath of Kor. Appreciate you.